Breakfast time here at the lounge. Yes, with very nice ambience. And we're gonna have breakfast here together with hot dishes.
Yes, we do have. You have? Yes. Yes. One Vietnamese coffee with.
Okay, so let's check what they have. Ano to? Siopaw? Masarap na. Dim sum. Okay, everything looks good. Oy, Christmas sa Christmas. Breads. And salads. Yes, masarap dito. Kasi maganda ang kanyang lounge area, no, Berna? Tsaka tayo lang ulit, oh. Kagabi tayong dalawa lang. Ngayon tayong dalawa ulit. Buti na lang, walang tao. No? Hello. How are you this morning? Oh, okay. So meron pa siyang hot foods. So anong hot food in order mo? Anong hot food in order mo, Berna? Para sa akin.
Paa tsaka egg.
Egg.
Paa tsaka egg.
Paa tsaka egg. Okay. Ano, eggs Benedict?
Yeah.
Okay. At least tayong dalawa lang lagi. I like your lounge, ah. It's very, very nice. This is a meeting room, no? You can have meeting here if you want with your family. It's a lounge where you can really enjoy, relax because of the seats that they have here. Okay, so napili ni Berna. Ito, dito sa ibabaw. Para tayong nag-ano to. Para tayong nagbabar. So, ayun na. Ayun na yung mga gamit ni Madam Berna. Okay, ako rin. Get some food. Let's check what Berna has for a starter. Oh, okay. Oh, may salad siya. Oh. Also, Chinese custard buns. And she's getting more fruits for me. Para sa akin yan, Berna, di ba? Yung fruits.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Sarap talaga, no? Pag walang visitors, kung hindi, kami dalawa lang. Okay, ang galing ng service dito. What is that?
Vietnamese coffee with.
Vietnamese coffee. Ang dami nating drinks. Tapos meron pa akong hot chocolate. Wow. Sarap dito sa hotel na to. Kasi maganda tong kanyang executive lounge, no? Piting sausage siya. Masarap. Ibang klase. Ano kaya, saan kaya gawa yung sausage siya, Mama Berna? No? Sarap. Kukuha pa ako ng sausage siya dahil super sarap. Yan, si Berna may dim sum, tsaka Chinese buns. Ito, yung masarap, mo. Itong sausage niya. Ito, ibang lasa nito. Yan, sarap niyang sausage na yan. Chinese sausage yata. Okay. Let me see the food. Oh my God. Yeah. That's really good.
The carrot avocado.
The avocado is mine.
Yeah, and the second one is the egg for him.
Everything for me. Everything for me. Nalito na siya.
Thank you.
Oh, grabe yung breakfast dito. Oh, look at that. Huh?
Yeah, thank you.
Looks good. Oh, bakit ikaw may dalawang fried eggs? Ako wala. Eggs Benedict pala ako. Kanya pala. O di bale, share na lang tayo. Galing dito. Sabihin ko kay Claude, dito magpunta. Pag nagpunta ng Hanoi. This is the Movenpick Hanoi Center. Malapit lang sa Old Quarters. Wow, ang dami nating food, Berna. Ano naman yung kinakain mo? What do you call that food, ha? Berna? Paa, ang tawag yan. Hindi ba pag-pronounce nun? Oh, wow. Yan yung Vietnamese noodles. Na, specialty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're okay.
Sarap dito.
Uy,
Masarap. Masarap ba, Berna? Ano yung on the side mo? Ano yan? Parang ano? Ano yung on the side?
pinapayata.
Hindi. Ano yan? Parang donuts sa maliliit. Hinalo mo. Okay. Yes, yung small donuts, so ihalo mo sa yung pho. Yum breakfast dito, ah. Grabe, busog na ako. Hindi ko pa naumpisahan yung totoong breakfast na may salad, bacon, at ano to, hamburger, may tomatoes, may eggs benedict. Grabe. Super busog na. Oh, ang dami pa niyang binibigay.
Okay, thank you.
What is that? What is that?
Strawberry
Thank you.
and the Vietnamese tropical fruit.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Wow. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy and enjoy their food here at the Movenpick Center, Hanoi. Thank you for watching.